If you're trying to create an Apple ID and you keep getting the message, Apple ID cannot be created at this time, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak connection can cause issues while setting up an Apple ID. Second, wait and try again after some time. Sometimes Apple's servers are just busy or under maintenance. Give it a couple of hours and then try again. Third, try using a different device or browser. You can go to a site called appleid.apple.com on a computer or another iPhone and create your Apple ID there instead. Next, avoid using public Wi Fi. If you're connected to a school, college, or public network, it might block Apple's server. Try switching to a personal hotspot or home Wi Fi. Also, keep in mind that Apple has a limit. If too many Apple IDs have already been created on your iPhone or iPad, it won't let you create another one. Try doing it on a different device. Also, sometimes just turning your phone off and back on clears up temporary glitches. And if you're setting up a new iPhone and skipped Apple ID setup, go to your settings and tap on sign in to your iPhone to try again from there. And finally, make sure your software is up to date. And if none of this works, your best option is to contact Apple support. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.